What is up? It's gonna be a loud one. At a Riley's Power Sports meet, we just had the meeting. We are about to dip. Mr. Jigsaw himself is here, over there, on the sexy purple and white bike. And your favorite nobody, on my bike. And me. I'm hyped, boys. Let's go. We about to leave. Oh, I need to have my music on. Hold on. Straight pipe to Grom. This is so loud, dude. That's so loud. Alright, boys. We getting on. Let's go. Looks like Riley ain't gonna be doing no wheelies today. He has his girl on the back. We'll see. Maybe. A lot of stunt bikes. The leader himself right there. Let's go. Woo! Lots of people. Let's go. Finally feels good enough to ride out, boys. So hyped. There's a stunt cage on every damn bike here. Jigsaw in the front. Everyone's going up. First turn of the ride, boys. Yeah! On the damn Sportster 2, let's go! He killing it already, dude. We just started! Chill! We just started. Oh! Hell yeah! Hell yeah! Oh my God, we killing it, boys. We out here, people. We got a dirt bike out here. He moving on the dirt bike. Those things are so weird looking. They're so skinny. I think we always hit the gas station first, boys. Stay topped up, especially in times like this. But we gonna get a fat gas station sesh right here. I might go in and snag a drink too. Let's go. Hell yeah. Oh, oh. video. Quest to 200 video. Jigsaw Bro right in front of me, boys. Let's go. It's the man himself. They don't look very amused. Oh, I saw him smirk. Jigsaw Bro? Is that Jigsaw Bro? Damn! That's a sexy stunt R7, bro. Yeah. He bunny hopping it. Look at him go, boys. Hell yeah. Wheelie with the city in the background. Let's go. Let's go. Boosa. He's with. She almost missed it. Is that a dude? I've been calling this man a she. Sorry, bro. That was a sexy Boosa, dude. Damn. I love riding, people. This makes riding so fun. Just, oh, I love motorcycles. fixer, bruh. Where are we going, boys? Damn. He was hella scraping. He scraped the shit out of that ground, boy. Hell yeah. No! Gay! Gay! Fuck you! What everybody's doing. This guy in front of me is the leader. Roundabout. The guy did not seem happy. He had to wait for all these bikes. Dirt bike boy cruising. Look at that. Damn, that thing's out. Oh, it's freaking straight pipe. That's why. Jesus. Look at that thing. That thing is pimp. I was going to get purple ones for my R3. That's a Ninja 400, but... He likes it. He loves it. I'm stuck. I got stuck. Look, the guy with the... Oh, look at that. Yeah, that is sick.